I'm Rhys Davis, I'm Director of Vizworx Limited. We're based in Denbighshire, near Denby, and we established the company in January 2013. So what we do at Vizworx is we deal with visual communication. So we create 3D visualizations, and predominantly they're interactive visualizations using sort of game technology. We use a wide range of technology from PCs and Macs to laptops, tablets, mobile technology. We use a wide range of software as well, 3D modelling software. So when we're getting our work signed off by the client, generally we'll go down and show the work on a laptop, easy to take with his mobile technology. Then when we're actually showing our work to the clients at meetings or for public consultations and so on, we use large display screens such as this one. Broadband's vital to us. We need superfast broadband to upload videos and the 3D models that we create so our clients are able to access them. We use it for large file transfer, downloading a variety of information that we need to produce the visuals that we work on. So it's really important for us to use the website to communicate what it is we do. Trying to explain to someone over a telephone with words is quite difficult. Our work is visually based, so the best way for them to understand it is to actually see it. We find that the use of the website means that they can quickly see the type of work that we do, look at links that'll take them to YouTube and so on. And we find LinkedIn to be really important because it allows us to speak to other businesses. We've used LinkedIn to approach companies all over the UK, people who maybe aren't so accessible to us in the local area. So LinkedIn has allowed us to make that first contact and arrange meetings. Being able to get these meetings has ultimately led to us being able to generate new business. I think it's essential for all companies to have a strategy looking at the software and hardware that they have within the company. If any processes can be done quicker using technology, then they really should be.